Solaris introduces a new service that significantly extends the lifespan of zero-emission buses. Retrofit. Retrofit is a post-warranty battery replacement in electric buses. This gives vehicles a new energy source, improving their range and efficiency. Retrofit extends vehicle performance and enhances technical parameters. Retrofit is an opportunity to apply the latest battery technologies in electric vehicles. Modern batteries have a higher capacity, which translates into a longer range.
How do we grant the best output of zero-emission vehicles in a so fast-changing technological environment? Battery technology is evolving fast, and then on 8 to 10 years, the zero-emission vehicles, eventually, we are not grabbing all the advantage that new technological evolution can bring. For this reason, at Solaris, we decided to develop a new service offering called Zero Emission Vehicle Retrofit, jointly developed with our Battery Hub colleagues.
Solaris specialists select the optimal battery solutions based on LFP, NMC, or LTO technologies, always tailored to customer needs. The retrofit service includes the replacement of the necessary electrical installation or upgrade of a battery thermal management system responsible for battery cooling and heating, updates the battery management system, ensuring compatibility with existing charging infrastructure.
This service offering provides easy-to-use and ready-to-go solution for our European customers on zero-emission vehicles. I'm very proud today to share with you that we started already implementing this solution with our first customer, MPK Kraków, and more to come.
Do usługi retrofitu skierowaliśmy 25 autobusów, 4 autobusy z dostawy z 2016 roku i 21 autobusów z dostawy z 2017 roku. Kluczowa była dla nas możliwie szybka realizacja usługi retrofitu i uniknięcie tym samym przestojów autobusów. Na większości autobusów usługa retrofitu już jest wykonana, a my możemy planować obecność tych pojazdów we flocie Miejskiego Przedsiębiorstwa Komunikacyjnego SA w Krakowie na kolejne długie lata eksploatacji.
Find out how to extend the life of your fleet. Contact your local Solaris service representative.